that? Wait, what's that? Who's that? What's that? I need to reach my friend. What are you? You're alive? What are you? Hi, buddy. Oh, is it a Korok thing? Yeah. This is awful. He's stuck on his... Oh, little buddy, you were carrying too much. He has a mustache. He has a mustache. He's so cute. Where's my friend? Huh? You can see me? I'm a Korok? I don't know how you say it. One of the children of the forest. I was traveling with my friend. Oh, meow. We got separated. Oh. My friend is sending up a smoke signal. Isn't that very dangerous for your kind to do? Am I supposed to bring the friend over here? I'll help you. Am I supposed to bring him or bring his friend? You can bring him. Can I pick him up? Wait. Where's the money? Where are you hiding the money? It's your last chance. Where is it? Where is it? Of course, I knew this would happen. I knew he'd just come back. All right, buddy. Come here. Oh, it's awful. Oh, he's a little too big. Whee! Let's go. How you doing? Look what I brought you. You're here. There's my friend. Cute. Give him. I can hear. Boop-a-doo, ba-doo, ba-doo.